We're at the beautiful Wild Adventures. But anyways, guys, I will update you when our friends get here and we'll be doing fun things. Look who we have.
I love you guys. You know, I'm her biggest fan, as we all know. I love her.
Yes, he's my biggest fan.
Biggest fan.
Yeah, go subscribe to Aaron's vlogs.
Yes, I don't have a YouTube channel, but please subscribe to me.
Yes. Is there any encouraging words to the viewers?
Don't do drugs.
That's the end of the segment.
I love you guys. Bye.
He loves you guys. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're at the Splash Island now.
I'm back.
We have all the homies here. We have him. We have him. We have him. We have him again. And we have Aaron.
I love you guys. I know you guys all love me. Where should we go first?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Such a mood.
He's like, yeah, I'm having so much fun. Such a fun face. He's like, I'm having so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun. I want to get me a Slurpee thing, but I'm missing $1.
Yeah.
Can you give me $1?
Aaron, we're gonna find you and me a bay today.
Okay. What? I think I found one already.
Where?
It's that grass.
Oh my gosh, she's such a babe.
I know. I can't.
She's such a babe. Oh my gosh.
I mean, look at her. She's beautiful.
Wow.
I know. Thank you. That's all you can say. She's just so good looking.
She's so good looking, guys.
Wow.
Gary's not cool.
Gary's not.
Gary was trying to poison me today with the water. He really was. Like, I'm pretty sure that junk had like chlorine or something in it.
Straight chlorine.
I'm dead serious. You're about to smell it.
Isn't this Abby's vlog?
Yeah, this is Abby's vlogs.
Yeah. Why is Gary in?
Give us an update.
There's money on the back of the phone.
I know.
Can I have it?
No. Please. How much
$5
is that?
matter. I will call.
That looks like he was. What? Ew.
That's what the
Gary.
Why does it smell like the wave pool?
Ew. Did you just dip it? Hi.
All gathered together. We all fellow brethren. Just kidding. Okay.
Hi. We need a thumbnail. Welcome to Colorado.